Hello everyone, this is Nicholas and today we're going to review the ROG Strix Arion M.2 SSD Enclosure. Kicking things off as always with the price, the ROG Strix Arion will retail at 215 Malaysian ringgit. So essentially what this is pretty much a casing to facilitate the use of an external SSD that you might have to be used alongside with your computer. It supports up to 4 different form factors of the M.2 NVMe SSD, which is listed right here. It is a USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 and it supports speeds up to 10 GB per second. For the design, it sports a very sturdy aluminium alloy casing with thermal pads to deliver aggressive heat dissipation. So typically when the drive is running and processing items, it will generate a decent amount of heat. So ROG has actually taken the proper measures to really dissipate the heat in a way. Not only that, once you've plugged in, you get this futuristic design that features ASUS Aura Sync lighting effects. Which means that if you have any of your other ASUS gaming peripherals, you can have all your RGB lighting synced together at the same time. So they've also included an exclusive hanging protective holder and also a very well keychain to go along with it as well. As for the cables, it supports dual USB-C to C and also USB-A to USB-C. Both cables are also provided in the packaging. As for the installation process, I actually find it quite easy to install the overall SSD and it requires little to no tools at all. All you need is the small little pin to open up the casing. So once you've installed your SSD into the casing, what you can do is you can use the back of the pin to actually screw the SSD tightly. So let's say if you do want to switch out the SSD while you're on the go, you can actually do so very easily. Now we're going to test out the speed of the Strix Arion. So to go along with that, we also have the ROG Strix SCAR 17 G733. So this machine here is running on the AMD Ryzen 9 5900HX with the NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 3080. It also sports a 17.3 display inch with 300 Hz. Overall, for the read speed, I'm able to get up to 3,500 of megabytes per second, and as for write, I'm able to get up to 2,700 megabytes per second. So it's actually fairly decent. For an SSD, especially this is external as well, anything that is above 2,500 megabytes per second is actually good enough. Now, in conclusion, who is the ROG Strix Arion for? Typically for, let's say, laptop gamers, most of the time the SSD is soldered onto the motherboard of your laptop. So sometimes if you like to store a little bit more of your computer games, an external SSD would be a great option to run your games lag-free. So one of the options that you can consider is by getting an SSD enclosure, which in this case would be the Strix Arion alongside with an SSD of your choice. But overall, I'm very happy of how the entire product turned out and especially the quality of it. It feels very good for only a price of 215 Malaysian ringgit. And the overall installation process is also fairly easy and it's not very complicated. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it and also click the little notification bell icon so you're notified whenever I upload my videos. Thank you everyone so much for watching. I'm Nicholas and as always, I will see you guys in the next one.